gonna be customer line.
Yeah.
From here to over there. Over there, the wedding curtains are. Here's your wedding curtains are.
Yeah.
Curtain is here. Here, the high frequency welding.
Oh,
Yeah,
welding.
Yeah, small welding you can do yourself. We have 3 machines for that one.
Okay, welding. Yeah.
And then this
Yeah, perfect.
one also welding is okay.
Yeah. So what is your main customer?
Now its main customer is going to be UK Army.
UK Army?
Yeah.
I see.
We are supplying to UK military. They are Army people.
For the pet for them?
Yeah, like this is UK Army fan.
Oh, I see.
We are original military fan.
Oh, UK Army.
Very complicated.
What is the name of the customer?
It's no main customer because we are supplying to the government.
Ah,
UK government.
UK government.
Yeah.
I see. This is Cordura import in US?
Yeah, right.
Oh, so webbing too?
Webbing is going to be also, webbing is not the import to USA, making here.
Oh.
But they have the license.
Oh, I see. Who is making this?
This is going to be before IRE. So now, now we change our supplier.
I see.
So if you need it, let me know. Next time I'm going to give the contact information to you.
Okay, thank you. Oh.
I explained that that one is going to be small accessory line. QA manager Mr. Khan. Buyer and maybe no, right?
Very small.
Come back to our customer. Laser cutting room.
Oh, okay.
Big car. So that kind of the big fan, you don't have to enough space over there. So you have the checking and packing is on here.
Trim warehouse.
Yeah.
Cotton sack.
Now ours is gonna be almost 70% press cut and 30% hand cut.
I see. No laser cutting. No laser cutting is it for
only the trim. Side, yeah.
I see.
This is your fabric warehouse.
I see.